Hi everyone, Kinsey here with Best Buy Metals. This month, we're excited to feature the Metal Man Valley Square, a must-have tool for metal roofing professionals who demand speed, accuracy, and reliability on every job. Designed to deliver precise layouts, the Valley Square makes it easy to measure and mark edges for valleys and gables, helping ensure clean, consistent cuts every time. With built-in degree and pitch measurements, it removes the guesswork and keeps your projects moving. This versatile tool also includes a slide feature for marking window and door edges, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Job site ready construction is built to last, while the grip rib provides added control and comfort during use. Whether you're tackling complex designs or everyday installs, the Valley Square helps you work faster, smarter, and more accurately. If you're ready to upgrade your layout process, visit any of our showrooms or find us online at bestbuymetals.com.